A lot of great money is waiting for us. We just need to take that action, alright? Nothing is gonna come on its own, guys. You have to work for it, okay? So let me actually show you how easy this is. First of all, I want to show you the website in and out, okay? I'm going to tell you what to do, what to avoid. There can be a lot of money, so it is going to be worthwhile. So first of all, the website is called PDCshare.com, and there's a lot of things in here. For example, for a start, I can just show you these payment proofs. There's a lot of people who make a lot of money. Just take a look at these withdrawals. Now, I don't know why they're impatient enough because I can see that they're just withdrawing $5 or $1 or 90 cents even. This person is maybe the most patient one because he got like $10 out, and that's the first problem that I saw on this website. Why are all these people like withdrawing these like crazy low sums of money? I mean, you can get a lot more money and then get it out. Maybe I think that it is just the lack of patience. Okay, people want to get like $1 or $2 or maybe $4 and they call it a day. But there's so much money potential online, and you lose the time when you actually withdraw that low amount. Because if you just want to take a withdrawal of $1.42, you lose the time. In those like 5 or 10 minutes that it actually takes you to place a withdrawal, well, you could do even more. You could do even more of these tasks. So that's the first mistake that people are doing on the website, okay? So just don't do it. You can see they have a lot of users. They have a lot of cash. So it is just best thing to go and do the offers and just be patient with it. But let's leave that aside. Let's go and sign up on the website so I can tell you what is inside. So here's the deal. When you get inside, you have a lot of offers. For example, if you click on the Earn option, you have the option to view ads. Then you have some offer walls. Then you have surveys. And of course, we've come to videos. Now, videos is the most fun way to me. I don't know about you, but I just like to watch the videos and to get money like that because sometimes you don't even have to actually watch the entire video. Sometimes they're fun and it is good to watch them, but sometimes they're just boring, okay? So there's not a lot of content, useful content inside of those videos. So what I actually do when I do these like videos, I just let them run in the background, okay? Because the ads are what is making us money. So I just let it in the background and the video is going from the start to the beginning. And when I get back to it, it's done. And I just let another one. I'm going to tell you all about it. First of all, you can see you have to select your country of origin. So you can see this works all around the world. There are all of these countries supported, and it basically doesn't matter where you come from, you can still get the money out of the website. And then you just go and watch them. But there's good thing with these PDC ads. These are like also a little video and like little website that you have to visit, and that's it. You just have to go, for example, and visit certain website for 10 to 15 seconds, and they will give you a certain amount of money for completing that task. Also, there's a cool option in here. So this click grid. Now in here, you will just have like this grid in front of you, okay? So for example, when you click on this one, you will be redirected to see an ad, of course. You can skip this one, but you have a chance of winning $10 just like that. So you could get $10 if you are lucky enough. Now this is more like a lottery or something like that because you have to click on the right box. And if you click on the right box, you're gonna get $10 as a reward. So this is just like if you like some gambling, a lottery or something, this is your type of task. But otherwise, just stick to the videos and PDC ads if you want to get that money surely. And of course, hit our subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you. Now, the next one, of course, is iRazoo.com, which gives you the money for watching videos as well. But this is like iRazoo TV, and they have a lot of videos, and they have some partners, which give them the videos, and they tell them which ads to show. It's all coming down to ads, okay? You will just have to watch the ads. But of course, you don't have to be like involved in them. I just told you, you don't have to like stare at the screen. You can just let it run in the background and the video is going to do its job, you know, it's going to go to the end and you just go and put another one for some more money. Now you can see that iRazoo on Trustpilot has 4.7 out of 5, which is a pretty good rating considering that they have 4,000 of these reviews. Okay, so that's a pretty good one. So if we want to start with this one, we have to go and click on the Get Started button, and now you just have to join with your email address and start watching these videos. So let's go inside. And this is it. This is the inside of iRazoo.com, where firstly you can see you have, of course, some surveys. If you like to do surveys, feel free to invest your time in them. They're pretty good. But there's Watch Fun Videos offer, which is the best one. Okay, this one gives you so much money that it's crazy. So if you click on the Watch Videos button, you will actually be redirected to the website, which is called Hideout TV. Now, this website has a lot of videos. They've got like search function just like YouTube, and you can search for videos that you like. But if you don't want to watch the video, for example, let's say you go and you drink your coffee on the balcony, I don't know. Well, the best thing you can do is you can just click on the video like this one, which is 20 minutes long, and just let it run in the background, okay? You don't have to watch the entire video. I repeat that 1,000 times because that is important. No one's gonna ask you what was in that video, how was the video, what was inside, what's the music, I don't know, whatever, guys. No one's gonna ask you those questions. They just need the ads to run, and that's it. They get the money, you get the money, okay? So my suggestion, find like these long videos and go for a walk, okay? Once I have found like video which is like 40 minutes long, and that's the beauty, guys. You just let that video run and you go make yourself a lunch, for example. You know, this is so easy that I don't know why more people don't do this. I don't know why this that like, is it hidden or something? I don't really know. But the trick with this one, I already told you. Just let the videos run and the money is gonna be sent to your account. Just take a look at this one. This is half an hour video, so this is perfect solution for us. Now, when you're done with the video, when you watched enough, and when you're happy with the amount of money that you've got, this is how you withdraw the money. Just go in here. This is Rewards Store. Click on that, and then you will have like PayPal, of course. That's differentiated with these like $5, $20, and $50 PayPal payout. But of course, if you want to get some sneakers or something like that, they have like Adidas, they have Amazon, they have like a lot of these gift cards. So if you want to get some stuff for free, this is also a good option for you. So it is in the end just all your choice. And the last one for today, I'm just going to go quickly over this one. This is SproutGigs.com, where you can get a lot of things done, okay? Now, this one gives you the opportunity to just get the money for maybe liking someone's YouTube video, for, I don't know, subscribing on YouTube, like following on Instagram, and you can see that a lot of people are making huge amounts of money on this website. So this is happening as we speak. This is constantly refreshing. So SproutGigs.com. Remember the name. This is really good one. SproutGigs.com. Go and make that money, guys, and I'll catch you.